You're ready then.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
Yep. Hi class. First of all, I just want to ask all of you, do you know why do we sleep? Does anybody know why do we sleep?
So our body can replenish itself.
Oh, good. And what about you?
I was gonna say the same thing.
Okay, you are related to, but not exactly. Actually, we sleep to save our energy, as well as to lower our body temperature, because our body is just like engine. So if we'll do work like waste of energy, and it becomes like heat up like engine. If we'll drive whole day, it can be happen like engine can burn. So just like that, our body is just like engine, and when we work all day, we waste our energy. And when we sleep, so like we save our energy basically. And when we sleep, so our body temperature goes down, and it is necessary to do low our body temperature. So when like I have one example from NASA, and they made a robot and sent to the Mars. So because they want to explore something on Mars, so they made a system. It shut down at night because they want to save energy. So it is too necessary for us to save energy, because during sleep time we save our energy. And according to medical doctor, they said, okay, if for a healthy person we have to take a sleep of 8 hours. So if it will take a sleep of 8 hours, then we'll wake up and we'll say, okay, I'm okay. But if we'll take a sleep of 9 hours, then we'll wake up and we'll feel like fresh and more active than we take a sleep of 8 hours. But if we'll take a sleep of 10 hours, so the person becomes like feel dizzy and not well, and a continuous headache can occur, and like lazy. The person will become lazy, will take a sleep of more than 9 hours. The American and in 1915s, the American and the French researcher individually they discovered two different stages of sleep. First is REM sleep. This is called rapid eye movement. The function of REM sleep is still unknown, and the other one is non-REM sleep. So in REM sleep, mostly we I just want to sleep like this, and I just like I can move my eye, my brain is still awake, and my gesture, posture, like everything, like I am still awake. So this is called REM sleep. So very first few hours of our sleep is called REM sleep. It is very necessary, but the function of REM sleep is still unknown. But non-REM sleep is like motionless eye. When we fall in a sleep very like we cannot move, like we don't feel anything what's going on outside. So this is called non-REM sleep. There are some abnormalities of sleep. If we won't take our sleep properly, or if we cross the limits of or the timing of sleep, so we can get trouble with different sleep abnormalities. Now one is insomnia, and the other one is sleep apnea, and the last is narcolepsy. So let's talk about insomnia. The lack of sleep is called the insomnia. So when people they avoid to take sleep, they feel like, okay, I'm just okay. Let me just sleep for a few hours. Then I have to go to work. Then I have to go to like anywhere. So they avoid to take sleep. They feel like sleep is not necessary, but that's not true. Sleep is necessary. This is our basic need. So the causes of lack of sleep, because sometimes people they are habitual drinker, they can't sleep because the sleep and noises, worries, and indigestion, and body uncomfortable temperature can be cause of insomnia. And the treatment is, if anybody feels like I am suffering from like insomnia, like lack of sleep, after few months, you have to point to a physician, because that's not a good symptoms. These are not good for health. And if you are feeling like for a few days, so you can do like you can avoid caffeine or coffee, especially in the evening time. And insomnia is the basic sleep disorder, and if you will suffer, first of all, if you suffer from sleep insomnia, then you can also can enter in sleep apnea. So sleep apnea is actually the worst problem, no breathing, because like when you're sleeping, and it happens mostly in middle-aged men, with like mostly in fatty people, because the weight of abdomen interferes the diaphragm, which controls breathing. And sometimes because of the cholesterol level becomes like high in like middle age, so the airways become narrow. And the causes are like these are, I told you the causes, and treatment could be like lose weight. The physician will prefer to lose weight to get trouble. And surgeon can remove tissues to widen the airways, and avoid caffeine and alcohol for any kind of to get trouble to get in any sleep disorder. And most of people, they use the different oxygen mask during their sleep, because it will provide the breath to them. And the last one is narcolepsy. Narcolepsy is one of the worst problem in our society. Is growing up fastly, because most of the people, they don't take their night sleep well, and they come to the college, they go to the work, and wherever they go, and they just fall in sleep during the daytime, because they don't want to sleep. But different like sudden attacks, they force them to sleep. Most of the children, they in high school or some in colleges, they just fall into sleep during class time because of the narcolepsy. And there are some symptoms like people experience like sudden attacks of muscles, paralysis, and these things. And the treatment could be the combination of stimulant and antidepressant drugs. So it can help people to it can help people to sorry. Okay, so sleep, let me repeat my conclusion. Actually, sleep is the basic need for us, for all human beings. And if we won't take our proper sleep, so we can get trouble, and we can also get different abnormalities of sleep. And it is so necessary, so please don't avoid to take a full sleep. Thank you. That's it.
You do?